Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the CapCut blend or splice options in CapCut Mobile. So in CapCut Mobile, you won't find the blend or splice if you don't add an overlay. So as you can see here, there will be no splice or blend at the bottom because I don't have any overlay video. So if I want to see the blend or splice, I need to add overlay first. So let's try to add an overlay to my clips. Let's say I want to add this white overlay. Okay, and you can see now at the bottom there will be splice or blend button. Okay, so when I click on this, I can just select the mode and adjust the intensity. So CapCut Mobile is different from CapCut PC because on CapCut PC you don't need to add overlay if you want to find the blend or splice. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye!